Hi! I think it would be right to start desk makeover front desk. This one is from IKEA. It has adjustable legs and I can choose height I need. I love its wooden surface, its color and pattern of wood, so I won't hidden it under desk pad. Despite the fact that wood is very soft material and it is prone to scratches. In fact, this table is old enough. Something about 15 years. As for me, it has preserved quite well. So this is the initial look of my desk. For work I use MacBook. Just MacBook without additional displays, cables and stands. And this is my favorite lamp from IKEA. I can easily direct the light where I want, cause the lamp arm and head are adjustable. And I like how it looks. Maybe because it looks like Pixar lamp. Do you remember they played a video with this lamp before the movie? To organize my books and notebooks, I use book stand. Before I bought the stand, my desk was always cluttered. It has a good capacity exactly. I don't like shelves or desk with drawers cause at first it doesn't work for me. I just forget that I have something on shelves. I will never read a book if it's outside my desk. And at second, I love free space. And these desks with drawers create the cramped feeling. One more item which helps me to keep my work area clean and orderly is desk organizer. It's made from paper and also from IKEA. Here is 3 boxes inside. It helps me to keep my desk clear from small things. When I bought it, I thought that I will paint it with colors, but I have no idea of drawing yet. The biggest box is for sketchbooks and papers. I have different sketchbooks for different art supplies and purposes. By the way, I will have a sketchbook tour video on my channel soon. I hope soon. No, it will definitely be soon. But no spoilers. The smallest box is for small things. Sticky notes, washi tape, eraser, flash drive, pencil sharpener, and pencil lids. The medium box is for wires and gadgets like power bank, hard disk, and etc. Pastel markers are used for bullet journal. I will show them a little bit later. Extremely bright markers to line up important parts of text. Brush pens. They have 2 ends. Marker and brush. I want to demonstrate how adorable they are, but unfortunately I need to learn how to paint using them. Well, I'll try. Hope I didn't make a mistake in stroke order. Very pleasant brush pen. Page markers, I'm using them as bookmarks. IKEA scissors, and mechanical pencil. That's all stationery I use on daily basis. It was not all sketchbooks I have, but this one I use not for drawing. It's my planner. It's not only handsome, but also incredibly well designed. Well, I have some drawings here, but mostly I use it as a bullet journal. I like to write tasks in a notebook. It helps me to set the right goals, carefully evaluate opportunities, and complete tasks in a timely manner. It's not exactly a traditional way of journaling, because I adapted it to my needs. But I think it's a good topic for a separate video. Cool. What's important, this sketchbook has very thick paper. Markers, gouache, it's not a problem for this sketchbook. And now, we are getting to the technological part. Fortunately, I can use one wire for all my gadgets. I have a wireless charger for headphones and smartphones. I'm so happy to have this thing, because I use Samsung and Apple devices and I needed different charging cords for them. Have you ever seen a YouTuber with Samsung tablet? I haven't, really. All YouTubers have iPads. Well, YouTube artists use Wacom in rare cases. I'm new to digital art and haven't tried iPad, but I like Samsung tablet very much. By the way, I started to draw in digital when I got this tablet from Notes application. This tripod I bought originally for filming and because it was extremely cheap. Something about $2. This was one of my best investments. And it's also good as holder for mobile phones. That's rather important to me because I love playing games on phone. By the way, can you recommend any interesting games? I'm playing Sky Inside at the moment. But let's move on. I have many interesting things for you. For example, what about car mouse? No batteries? It was unexpected. I hope they work. One more chance. I've already forgot I have an adorable mouse pad. Or mouse carpet. Plus 100 points to coziness. We spend a lot of time at the desk, so it's important for me to create not just a comfortable place, but a place of inspiration. To relieve the stress accumulated during the work courses, I have an hourglass. I love watching the falling rains and sand. It's actually very relaxing. This item I only hold because of its bright appearance. I don't play it. The next thing you have to prepare for. Are you ready? Ta-da! Table golf. Very necessary thing. The fact is, it's not quite what it seems. It's a pen. Good pen, by the way. Why I'm writing from right to the left? You didn't see it. Now my desk looks a little more cheerful. But know what I think? Walls are empty. Well, I think this one will fit. I painted it maybe 4 years ago and then it disappeared. I found it resting among the books. This painting you may seen in one of my previous videos. There I filmed the full process of creation. I should carve paintings with varnish. I also like to put stickers with current tasks on the wall. There is still empty space on the wall, so I will put some small paintings. My hands are always dry, so I keep the hand cream on the desk. Funny that it's also black. Fragrances fill people with emotions no less than beautiful things. Music, pleasant company, or delicious food. Also, scents creates mood. That's why I bought this beautiful scented candle. If we talk about quality and comfort, these things I recommend to everyone. Really, it's must-have for me. Footrest helps to sit relaxed at the desk. I can adjust the platform with my foot to enjoy the comfortable angle. It was a highly productive day, but it's time to try my desk setup. I've got to finish some work. I made a cool video with art challenge. By the way, it's already on my channel. There I drew one famous character in extremely short time. You should check it out. The video is pretty funny. But it's in future. Me in the past should finish video editing. Oh, this drink is too sweet. These drawings look like I draw them in different age. 7 years old, 14 and now. Have you guessed who it is yet? It's late. Let's light a candle for coziness. Atmospheric. I think I'm done with this video. I'm tired and how to go to sleep. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.